Let's check this sample's interior color. A
Seasonal molds for holidays, Easter eggs, and Christmas shapes. Festive chocolate creation.
Day 3. The color is changing well. Yes, the pulp is breaking down. Good. I'm ready for the next step. Quick, the rain's here. Cover the beans.
Now, hold the edges tight.
Let's check this sample's interior color. A uniform light brown. This batch is approved.
Ready? Heave! Got it. Next one! Coming up! Scanning the cacao shipment for security. Reviewing documentation and traceability. Proceeding to quality assurance protocol. Steady flow today. Keep an eye on the level. Looks good. No jams.
Keep the flow steady, watch for stones.
Understood. Pulling the debris now. Good pace, quality first.
The destoner uses gravity and air to separate stones from beans. Safety features prevent contamination and ensure safe operation. A sample of green beans is taken for laboratory analysis. This enables quality testing and flavor profile prediction. On the left, raw green coffee beans. On the right, the dramatic transformation after roasting, dark, rich, and aromatic.
Examining nibs for shell content, using magnification for purity check. Standard verified.
Soy lecithin emulsifier, precisely dosed. A tiny amount makes a huge difference, adjusting viscosity for professional formulation.
Seasonal molds for holidays, Easter eggs, and Christmas shapes. Festive chocolate creation.
This compound chocolate line uses vegetable fats instead of cocoa butter. This creates an economical product with a different tempering process.